Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop video or images in CapCut PC. So here I have added both videos and also image into my CapCut PC timeline. If you want to crop it, first let's try with the video. You can just click on the video in here on the timeline and go to this variety of toolbar of tools at the top of the timeline, and you'll find this resize option. So resize including crop, this one here. You can choose the crop ratio. For example, I'm going to make it square. You can just choose the preset in here, so I'm going to go with 1:1. Here you can adjust the position of the video that you want to crop. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and now you can just click on confirm. So now the video has been cropped into the size that I want, and you can also do the same with the image. So click on the image, go to the resize again, now crop. So for example, here I'm going to use the same size 1:1, adjust the position, click on confirm. Okay, so now the videos and also image has been cropped. If you want to get rid of this black background, you can just go to the ratio in here and choose the same size with the crop size before, like this. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.